Okay. You explain everything, okay?
I do my best.
Where are we?
We are Meguro and Shinagawa border.
What prefecture we are in?
Tokyo, Shinagawa.
Okay, good. Well, first of all, before we go, what's it say on your shirt?
Dead Bull.
Red Bull. Oh, okay. If you could show us your house.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my lovely house.
Lovely
I
house.
think the best place in the world ever.
Oh, really? Okay.
I think.
Okay.
Oh, and it's my family name in Japanese.
How do you say it?
Kuniyoshi.
Oh, this Kuni
Yoshi.
Yoshi.
It means country. It means good.
Good. Well, your name is Good Country.
Like that.
Oh, okay.
And this is door.
Okay.
Umbrella.
Yeah, so everybody has to take off their shoes.
Oh yeah. So now. There are 4 people in my house, and that's why there are so many shoes.
Oh, okay. Alright, so first, what is this? This is your
It's my
skateboard and surfboards.
Surfboard, and it's stuff for Joy.
Oh, okay. Good. Upstairs?
Yep. Jason, do you need some music? Maybe.
Not right now.
And this is first floor, second floor.
Second floor?
Sorry, second floor. And he's my brother.
Your brother?
No, it's not a joke. He's my friend,
Your friend, okay.
and now he stay to me.
Oh, okay.
And now he stay.
And what is he gonna do here?
Oh, today
Yeah.
his friend
Yeah.
fight is world champion
Oh.
by boxing.
Oh, okay.
So no, he can't.
You're gonna go visit. What city are you from?
I'm from Fukui City.
Oh, okay. How far away is that?
I don't know. Maybe 1 meter? No. Maybe 400 kilometer. More.
400 kilometers.
Yeah, almost from Tokyo to Osaka. It's almost same.
Well, that's far.
500.
Okay. In this room?
Oh yeah. And this is kitchen.
Okay. What did you make this morning?
Pasta.
What kind of pasta?
Pepperoncino.
It's famous, yeah?
Yeah, not pepperoni.
No. Okay. And what do you keep in the freezer?
Everything.
No, the freezer.
Freezer.
Yeah.
Freezer.
Yeah.
Oh, garbage. And that's why. So I use big plastic for garbage. If for example, piece of meat,
Yeah.
I put here,
Okay.
it will be stinky, and that's why I put
In the.
garbage in fridge.
Oh, okay. All fruit peelings go in the freezer.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, okay. And can you explain the difference between these two garbages? What's the difference?
It's combustible
Yeah.
and
Non-combustible.
uncombustible.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you have next? Bathroom.
Oh. Oh. We have to turn off the light.
Yeah. Okay.
It's good for the heart.
Let's do.
And
Okay.
this is bathroom.
The bathroom. You don't have any traditional style?
No, it's normal type.
Oh, okay. Shower in the tub. Okay.
Then this is no.
What's it mean?
If you spit it out
Yeah.
the water, you have to clean
Clean it.
as soon as possible.
Oh, okay. And what's this note mean?
Please dry
Dry your body
my body
after
after I take a shower.
after you take a shower.
So that's why I used to. Okay, I take a shower.
Yeah.
And I used to go straight.
Just straight.
Yeah. No,
Ah.
not right.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and Tetsuya is my roommate.
Roommate.
Tetsuya told me, hey Kenji, please dry your body. It's like a,
Ah. It makes marks on the floor.
yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next.
This is, now I live with his name is Tetsuya.
Okay.
It's a little bit so, it's just,
Next room.
yep, toilet. There were a lot of shit in this hole.
Oh yeah, and then you wash your hands over there?
No.
No. Over here.
Maybe here.
Oh, okay.
But I don't wash my hands after
Oh,
I
okay.
do shit.
Oh. Upstairs.
Yeah. And now Jason stayed this room. And it's my room.
It's your room.
Yeah.
Do you ever go outside?
Yeah. So this table, Tetsuya and I made it
Oh, okay.
last summer. It's a little bit winding.
Windy?
Winding?
Not a...
Not straight.
Oh, okay.
That's like handmade.
Yeah. Now we're gonna interview Kenji.
Yeah?
Tell me about your trip to New York City.
From which part?
When you first arrived from Paris, right?
No. I flew London.
London.
Egypt to London, London to New York.
Okay, and what happened when you arrived there?
Okay, it's long story. I arrived New York at maybe 8 p.m.
Okay.
Then I was looking for guest house. Then I know where is guest house. And I asked some shop staff.
Yeah.
Then I'll see if you know where is the hotel. And she told me, oh maybe Queen Square Station is good. And okay, and I go. But there are not so many hotels at near Queen Square.
Okay.
So, but I found one hotel.
Yeah.
So I went. Then I asked staff, how much is it? $105. And my God. It's too expensive for me.
Yeah.
So, and I gave up. I was looking for other hotel,
Okay.
but there were no hotel
Yeah.
other. I decided to sleep on the road near the Queen Square Station.
So what happened?
What happened? Just cold.
It's cold?
But according to my mom, I was lucky because then it was not so cold. No snow.
Oh,
Just
okay.
cold. So
And tell me a story about...
after
Yeah.
yeah, I wanted to sleep at hotel,
Yeah.
but then I had no idea. New York is not so interesting for me,
Oh.
and I thought, okay, first I go back to airport,
Okay.
and if I can make a reservation
Yeah.
this day, I decide I'm going to Los Angeles. But if I couldn't make a reservation, I thought I will use like a hotel something in airport. If I asked them,
Yeah.
they make a reservation
Yeah.
for hotel.
Oh.
And fortunately,
Mm.
I could make a reservation for flight to
LA.
LA.
Yeah.
And I arrived LA.
Okay.
So, but there are so many stupid stuff at Los Angeles airport.
Oh.
I just need to go outside of airport.
Yeah.
Then I asked them, I want to go out. And staff told me, where? Out. And where? Los Angeles. Oh, this is Los Angeles. Yeah, I know. I just wanted to go out. But nobody understands what I want to say.
Oh.
and I couldn't get out from airport. And it was disgusting experience for me. I can't go outside, and I decided to go to Dallas same day. And I make a reservation and go. And at Dallas airport
Okay.
at night, 9 or 10, I paid the money
Oh,
for
okay.
one night in New York and Los Angeles.
Yeah.
If you know what
Yeah.
it is. And I think it's $105. It's a stay
Yeah.
hotel.
Mhm.
The cost is $105.
Yeah.
I will pay.
Yeah.
And you know what the answer was?
Yeah. You saved 105. You're gonna go to the hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and I asked staff, airport staff,
Okay.
and he told me $230
And Alice?
near Dallas airport.
Yeah.
And I couldn't pay. Then I decided to sleep at airport. I sleep airport, and he told me, and this night I slept at Dallas airport. Next day, I was going Mexico.
So you only spent 2 days in America.
Yep.
And what was your impression?
Los Angeles airport staff is beautiful.
Okay.
I think maybe my English was good.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I couldn't.
Gonna explain. Yeah. Thanks for the interview.
You're welcome.
When you were sleeping in New York City, where did you sleep? You slept on the sidewalk, yeah?
Yep.
How?
Like this.
Like how?
Yeah.
Okay.
And sometimes, and then I was so nervous.
Nervous?
I wake up when some people walk through,
Yeah?
walk around me,
Yeah?
and I
No one bothered you though?
no.
Tell the itching part?
Itchy part, here,
Yeah.
and now here,
Yeah.
and here,
Yeah.
and here.
The reason it gets so bad is because why?
It's allergy. I have skin allergy.
Okay.
And I think maybe it's for and sweat,
Sweat.
maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, now explain the favorite part.
Oh.
Yeah.
Allergy.
Yeah.
Favorite part.
Yeah.
Here. I'm in like a heaven when I scratch here, but yeah, if I over scratch, I will be hell.
Oh, okay.
It's like a life.
Life? Oh, okay, I get it. Hey, if you could explain what this means on the floor.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Stop.
This means stop?
Yeah.
And how do you pronounce it?
Tomare. Tomare.
Where are we going?
Now we are going to sushi restaurant.
Okay.
With Kenji and Taka.
And Taka?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
We're gonna go find a sushi restaurant. Famous Japanese food, yeah? So you just put the powder in,
Yes.
then you add water. Oh. Okay, it says we're in London. Hotel as a whole, we might move. Hotel as a whole, what does that mean?
It's mean whole. Whole.
Okay. So when he says the hotel as a whole,
It's mean your friends,
yeah?
the soil,
Yeah?
and make whole, and
Oh, okay.
what's
Oh,
that?
no, it doesn't mean that.
Well, what does it mean?
It means the hotel is a dump.
It's mean good or not? It's.
You know what it means, dump?
I think it's mean shit.
It means the hotel is dirty.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, whole.
Yeah.
How does it?
H-O-L-E.
Oh, whole. It's whole.
Yeah.
Oh, it's mean dumb.
Yeah.
Mean dirty.
Dirty. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Alright, now I'm finally leaving Tokyo, Japan. Kenji's driving me to the Meguro station. In the back, we got Taka. How'd you like the boxing match? Is it good?
No, it's shit.
Yeah.
何々
昨日の
うん
ボクシングどうだったって。
ああ so bad
So bad. Your friend lost, yeah? Sad. Was his seat close to the...
あ
コース
リング
Yeah.
ね、リングに近かったかって席が。
あ close あ yeah
Yeah?
very near
Really
Close,
near?
close.
Oh, okay.
About from top,
Yeah.
from ringside,
Yeah.
and 50 seat
Oh, 50 seats.
behind.
Oh, okay. Alright.